Welcome to Gariautocare. I'm Team Wire. Right now I have is a Honda Stream of 2010. This vehicle has a problem with ECM, which is engine control module. The original engine control module was stolen. So today I'm going to show you how to fix this vehicle. Let's go and see to the cabin. Because I don't know the original ECU, so I have a couple of it. BB, then we have CS, then we have KX, then I have KJ. So I have here different type of ECU. I'm gonna start with the EF. So the E5 is not compatible because there's no any immobilizer key on the dashboard. So E5 I eliminate. So let's go and plug another computer. Next is BP. So BP, wow, BP, it has a check engine on the dashboard, parking, then the drive is blinging, the security key is blinging. So I'm going to program that BP to see if it's going to work. Let me try to start. It starts, then it's shut. So this tablet to program this ECU. So I'm going to plug in the OPD2. After connecting like that, Honda. Okay. Even the alarm is complaining. Steam pin, Japan. Is a 2010 model. Is a 2010 model. Yes. So here I'm going to check. I want to start by engine system first to see if it has any fault code. So the engine system doesn't have any fault code, meaning it can be compatible. So under immobilizer here, okay, the fourth immobilizer, okay, the setup, okay, because it needs the professional knowledge of registration. So when you select delete or reset the item related with security key, please pay attention to the selected item and execution, right? Okay. So here we are going to replace ECM PCM. So turn the ignition off. So check all keys to ensure each will start the engine. Okay, turn ignition on. This vehicle equipped with the Honda Smart. No, the register is complete. Just like that, then you start the vehicle. Next is CS. Let me install this. Whoa, shit. We have another ECU, CX. So let's go.
We have another ECU, which is CX. The ECX check engine is okay. Parking, drive is blinging. Then we have security system key.
So I'm going to reprogram again. Honda Fit. Japan. So let's start to I'm gonna start with the engine system to see if it has any fault code. The engine system doesn't have any fault code, so let's go straight to the immobilizer. Okay, we are going to repeat the steps. Okay, then replace ECU. Connecting with the engine. Please wait. Turn ignition to off position. Then check all keys to ensure it will start the engine. Okay. Then turn ignition on. Then wait. This vehicle keep the Honda Smart. No. The register is complete. Okay. This computer is running the engine, no misfire. 3 computers working perfect, KJ, CX and BB. So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.